Good girl. You're so good. You're brilliant. Okay, down. Good. Very good. Ready? Okay, let's go. Come on. Come on. Ready? Come on. Down. Good. Sit. Very nice. Okay, come. Come on. Come on. Woo. Yes. Sit. Sit. Good girl. Leave it. Yes, good girl. Okay, take it. She's so smart. I'm so happy. I'm so happy that she's gonna be the doggy of the week. Good girl. I'm gonna drop a few pieces. Ready? Leave it. Yes, that was very good. That's a lot. That's a lot. So that's too many. Good, good. Take it. Good. Down. Good. Stay. Yes, good girl. Stay. Yes, good girl. Very nice. Okay. Very good. Come on. Come on. Come on, Kizzy. She's tired today. Normally she's like a Tasmanian devil.
But it's also sort of interesting. It's like she's like, she wants to keep working. Whatever it is, you're working. Like, she's
Yeah.
like, okay, are you still filming?
Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah,
We
I
can
don't
edit
wanna
this
walk
out.
in
Well, it
front.
doesn't have sound on it.
Oh.
No, but I mean, I'm not gonna.
Oh.
I didn't.
I can stop. Do you want me to stop?
Because if I take a picture right here, I'm getting the poopy thing right
Oh,
in the background, so I was
right.
going to shift over a little bit.
Okay.
It's like, it
Good
was-
idea.
it makes for real attractive. But, like, it's just nice to even have a picture of you, like, start fondling her and.
Yeah, she
yes,
loves to work.
yes.
Like that's what makes me think she'd be such a great working dog. She doesn't even need like a lot of. She doesn't even need like a lot of reinforcement. Like she's just happy to work, right? Who's a good girl?
Hi,
Oh,
I know.
hi. Yeah, go say hi. You wanna come
Oh.
say hi? You wanna say hi? I know. I know. Sweet girl. She's a sweet girl. She has energy for days. You never get tired. You'd be a good search and rescue dog. You'd be a great search and rescue. Mwah. Very good girl.
She's so cute.
I know.
She's so cute.
adorable. Oh, that was good. That was a good shot of you.
Pretty girl.
She's beautiful.
She is pretty. Good girl.
Sit. Good girl. Down. She never gets tired of down. Good girl. That's very nice. Very nice.
Yeah, she can settle off to one side.
Yes.
Absolutely. Good girl. Watch me. Yes. Good girl. Watch me. Good girl. See her.
Yeah, do a watch. Yeah.
Watch me.
That's good.
Oh, you got it. Okay,
Yeah,
I'm like
you got
holding
it.
it.
No,
Putting
no.
out some meat in front of the camera.
Here, why don't we see if I can get her on too?
Very nice. Watch me. Oh, come on. Come on. Come on. Down. Good girl. Very nice. Stay. Stay. Down. Yes, good girl. Good girl. Stay. Stay.
Pam, do you need me to move?
Oh, girl, you want to run? Let's go run. You want to run? Come.
I'm good. I got what I need.
Okay, good. Well,
Good girl. You did great. You did so good. You did so good. Sit. You did so good. You did so good. You did so good, mamas. You did so good. You did so good. You did so good, so good. Good girl. Come on. She's so sweet.
she really is
I
a nice
absolutely
dog.
love her.
Just staying out there too. Just like hello.
Mhm.
But she's looking to you for guidance.
Yes,
treats,
that's
whatever,
right,
the whole
that's
works.
right.
That's great.
Girl. Now you're back in front of Dookie
That's all right.
again.
We got it. I'm good.
Okay. You got photos. You got
Okay,
photos.
thank you so much.
Oh,
That was great, and
I
thank
swear,
you for
I
the.
think she'd be like the best working dog.
All right.
I mean nose work. I hope she goes
Yes.
with someone who's really dog savvy. I really do.